morning and welcome. Thank you so much for arriving here on time on a rainy Monday morning. My name is Radhika Nayar, and I manage Dasra's U.S. efforts. Over the course of the past few weeks and months, you would have received many emails from me and other members of the Dasra team encouraging you to join us today. And we are so thrilled that today is finally here, and would like to thank each and every one of you for making this day a possibility and now a reality. As you know, this is our first event on the West Coast. We would especially like to thank our hosts today at Stanford, who are the Center on Democracy, Development, and Rule of Law, as well as the Stanford Center for South Asia, and our other partners listed here, including USAID and Tata Trusts. For the past 7 years, we have hosted the Dasra Philanthropy Forum in Mumbai, which many of you may be aware of and have attended and spoken at as well. And this forum is to educate and enable donors in India to become more strategic with their philanthropy. And after proving the success of that event in India, we brought it to New York last year. And with the success of that gathering, we've been able to gradually build a presence in the US, and which is why we're here today on the West Coast. We have a few goals in mind with this event, and we hope that the conversations today on and off stage will drive greater investment towards solving urgent challenges in India that demand all of our attention. We also hope to help build a community of like-minded people in the Bay Area passionately committed to India's development, led by all of you here. As well as we would also like to encourage more ongoing and meaningful conversations between India and the US about best practices as well as failures in philanthropy and social impact, because all of us could benefit greatly from these conversations. We don't expect to achieve all of this today, of course, and this is something that would happen over time, but we see this event as a very critical starting point. This forum is also an invitation for all of us in this room to take our philanthropy and efforts in India to the next level. We are all learning from each other here today about how to do better and give better. And we hope that the day is inspiring, as well as, more importantly, useful for you wherever you are in your philanthropic and social impact journey in India. In this room, we have people from India, the UK, Houston, Boston, New York, and as well as the Bay Area, and we hope you take full advantage of connecting with those at your tables, your favorite speakers, as well as Dasra staff and board members who are wearing orange badges, like myself, and to really connect and engage with all of these people in the room because they share your values and concerns and care about what you care about. At registration, you would have received a folder with an agenda and speaker bios, and that'll be your guide for today. And you would have also received this very special magazine called Impact India, which is also posted online on the Stanford Social Innovation Review website. And Impact India is a collaborative publication between Stanford Social Innovation Review, the Bridgespan Group, and Dasra, bringing together knowledge and best practices about giving to India, thanks to the support of the Hewlett Foundation as well as the Kiowa Trust. And this publication would not have been possible without the leadership of the Stanford Social Innovation Review, particularly Eric Nee, managing editor, and Shannon Thompson, who produced this and made it possible. And the sessions today at the forum will relate to exactly what is in this magazine, which is why we are launching it at this platform. And today we will hear from accomplished Indian American philanthropists who are giving back to India, organizations and philanthropists who are improving the lives of adolescent girls in India in uniquely effective ways, and interventions that are radically changing sanitation and hygiene for disadvantaged communities, and approaches to impact investing in India, among other topics. And of course, there'll be plenty of time for Q&A throughout the day. We hope that you will bring these conversations that we are all lucky to be having in this room today online, so please be active in social media. The hashtag for the day is Impact India, and we also hope that you would direct people to the publication on the SSIR website. You can just Google SSIR Impact India and the URL will come up. We hope you really enjoy your day with us, and please treat this as your event as much as it is Dasra's event. This is really your day and your experience. And we're just so excited that all of you are here with us today. And to kick us off, I'd like to introduce Tarun Jotwani, who's chairman of our board.